if you're passionate about the niche that you're in, writing reviews shouldn't be that difficult. But let's just go over some tips in this video. Okay, now if you don't feel comfortable writing, another option for you is to shoot a video of yourself giving a review. Now, actually, I think that is much faster than writing something down. Okay, another thing you could do is to outsource the writing, and of course, that's going to cost you a little bit of money. Okay, so now when you're writing a review or you're shooting a video, make sure to first provide a quick description of the product. Okay, explain why you like the product and give any other positive reviews from other people who have bought it. And you may also want to include a couple of negative reviews just so that you don't seem biased and that you're just trying to promote that product. But what you could also try to do is to turn that negative point into something positive. So, for example, if you're reviewing a weight loss or a weight loss training program, you can say that the training or the tips are too hard to follow, but then you could turn around and say, but that is why it'll work only if you are committed to it. Okay. Another thing you want to do is, once you write your review, at the very end, try to summarize what you wrote and then include a call to action. For example, click here to check it out. Or if you're offering bonuses, say, click here to see my bonuses, or you could even write about your bonuses. But make sure to include a call to action. And you could also include a call to action throughout the review. So you could put a button, click here now button in the middle of the review.